Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig sent from RPGSHOW Hair. Like always, check my description box just in case any of you guys are interested in this wig. I will say RPGSHOW is a pricey company, so keep that in mind. But the quality of the hair and the construction of these wigs be on point. So let's hop into this wig. Right now, I'm showing you the construction. I think the construction already passed, but it did have two combs in the front, a comb in the back with a built-in elastic band and adjustable straps. So you can have the option to wear this glueless if you wanted to. In this video, I do glue down the front, I believe. But here is the hairline, which already comes pre-plucked, and the knots already come bleached. One thing about their wigs is you don't have to put in no extra work because the wig is already prepped for you, okay? It looks so good. Now, I could get away with wearing this glueless, but it's still a little too big on my head. If you have a bigger size head and you get the right cap size, of course, you can definitely get away with wearing this wig glueless. But I do believe that this is a small cap size. My head is already small. So just in case you do have a smaller size head, just use those use the elastic band that they have built into this wig, and that should make the fit a little bit tighter. If that doesn't work, you can always just spray it down with some got-to-be glue or whatever you use to adhere your lace. So like I said before, I'm just using the got-to-be glue at the top of the lace. I really don't worry about using it on the sides just because I did a middle part, so the hair is basically covering the sides anyway. As you can see, this is a kinky straight texture, which is my favorite texture. I love textured wigs just because to me it just comes off more natural, and the density on this wig is thick. That's one thing I will say. It's really thick and really full. I can't remember the length of it. I think it's a 22-inch length wig, and it has this, I think the color is like a color 30 highlighted throughout the wig, which is like a honey blonde. It's really, really pretty. I love it. Now what I'm doing is I'm going in and I'm just cutting layers only in the front of the hair because I felt like it wasn't really doing much for me. And I didn't want to wear this wig straight. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to cut layers in the front, and then I'm going to take my straightener and just put some curls in it. I really don't care too much. Like, I'm not really concentrating on the curls because I don't want them to be perfect. And I think that it turned out really, really nice. Real cute. And this was a pretty quick and fast application and just styling, period. I love it. But you guys let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section down below. Again, if you are interested, check in my description box and there will be links to this wig. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.